The brush spring applies tension to the motor brush, holding it firmly against the commutator. If the tool is overloaded, the brush spring can overheat. When this occurs, the spring will no longer apply tension to the brush. Replacing the brush spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor cover. Now I have access to the brush spring. I'll go ahead and remove it. I pull the spring clear of the brush holder and release the tension. Now I can pull it away from the post. Now I can install the new brush spring. The spring is hooked back towards the center inside the coil. I'll align that hook with the post. Now I'll retension the spring and place it back over the brush. I'll reinstall the other half of the housing and secure it with the screws. And that's how you can install new brush springs in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.